Hey my gators, as you can see, we have some goodies from Ross, and I intended to go in there. I left Aldi's and I went to go get the stuff for baking. I intended to go in there to find a plug-in night light Himalayan salt thing, because I want one smaller for my bathroom. And yeah, that didn't happen. None of this stuff was planned, but I wanted to share it with you because I love fragrances, and I have like my top fragrances that I really love. But then you can find fragrances for the low 50%, sometimes 20, sometimes 15% is what you're paying of the price originally, of the original price. So my babies love fragrances. I've gotten them over the years into fragrances. For the holidays, I'll buy them certain fragrances that they are interested in, and then ones that I know will smell good. Or if they like something I like and they're always like, oh mama, you smell good, you smell good, and they like it, I'll end up giving them that. And so our one of our signatures is a Jimmy Choo fragrance, and I already got her a bottle of that, a huge bottle. It's in the closet. I gotta wrap that. I got her the biggest bottle like mommy had. She usually had like the smaller, and I see that she was holding on to the little bit of what was left, so I was like, okay, she needs some more of that. Now I did get her the Nicki Minaj fragrance. Now the reason I like the small ones and to see if she likes them, because think about it, when you travel you don't want to take the big bottle. So I know she has this one, the big bottle of this, but I don't think she smelled these. So I wanted to see if she likes them. If she does like them, then I know in my mind as a gift I can get her one of the others or whatever. But since it's small, no biggie, you're not wasting a lot. So for this one right here, it was $19.99. And I think women should always smell good. I don't care if you just run into the store for a quick minute, you should always smell good. And I love when people are like, oh, is that you? Oh, you smell good. I love it. So I got her this, and yeah, so she has this, and now instead of bringing that big one with her, she could bring this, because I know she likes this when we travel. She could take this, and then if she likes these and I get her a big one, she can use these as travel to take with her. So I got that, and that was $19.99. You get 3 for the price of 1, and this is what the box looks like. Then I know I always wanted to give her the Viva La Juicy. This smells so good, and I think it's a scent that is great for teens and adults. So I got her this, and this was 20 bucks at Ross. Can't beat it. Like, for the original price versus this, yeah. When I'm trying to see what fragrances she like, I want to start her off with a smaller one, and it's great to get it at places like Ross. Not all fragrances are at Ross, but a lot of them you can find at Ross. So this was 19, and it's the Viva La Juicy. Smells so good, smells so good, smells so good. And then I was in love with Ed Hardy's oils when I used to sell oils back in the day. The Ed Hardy Hearts and Daggers smell so freaking good, and it is a smell that I think would be amazing for teens, and I think this is a cool packaging. Ed Hardy just seems like a timeless type of thing. Kids love these colors and the skulls and all that stuff. So, and this is actually a 3.4 ounce for $19. You can't beat that. So I got her the Ed Hardy. This smells so good. And I always was in love with Paris Hilton coming up as a young adult mom and everything. I love the Paris Hilton. Is there a name to this? There was a name. Isn't this? I don't know. I just know this particular bottle with the pink and the black lines. My stepmom used to work at Marshall's, and they used to get the bigger bottles. It's hard to find the bigger bottles of the actual perfume, not the mist. So I got her this, and this one was 12 bucks. And I love the look of it. And it is a fragrance that she can also travel with. The bottle is so pretty. Listen, y'all, this right here, oh my Lord, I love the way Paris Hilton smells. So that is another one that I got for her. And then I also got her the Guess 1981, and the price of this, I've been seeing other people review this, and they've been getting it for like 20 bucks, and this was $16.99, and it is a 1.7 ounce, and that is what the box looks like. And so basically she getting fragrances for Christmas because she already got her 2 big gifts those are already locked down. So that's what she get for Christmas. And then I got me this. I wanted to get it at Macy's some years ago because I love the way it smelled. But I was like, you know what? I seen it today. And it kind of slipped my mind because I have other fragrances. But I seen it today getting those for her. So I gifted myself this. And this was $30, which is a steal because this stuff is expensive at Macy's or JCPenney's or wherever it is sold. It is expensive. And it is, let me open it because this one is mine. Let me show you what the bottle looks like. I love it. It just seems so grown woman. Look at the bottle. Tell me that bottle is not cute. And it's Burberry Touch. And it's a wooden top. So pretty. Like, why are you playing? Why are you playing? Why are you playing with me? Don't play with me. I don't like the rub, but I will dab. I will dab like that. And I usually put like a little bit of oil or Vaseline because it'll let your scent last much longer. But that's the Burberry Touch. So good. So that's mine. I promise you, I think I have one. But if I do, it's not as good as this one. Like when I'm making like donuts and fries, or if I fry something on top of the stove, I hate trying to get it with the tongs and spatula. So I decided to get me one of these. And I like that it has no crevices. It's all made one piece, all the way to the handle. And it's a stainless steel. I love it. For long lasting durability, it was only $4.99, and it's made by Cooks. Cooks made some really nice stuff. So yeah, I love it. It's sturdy. The basket is sturdy. I don't feel like it's gonna fall apart. And so I got that because I know I need this, and I'm gonna hang this on the side of my refrigerator. I'm gonna find space. We're gonna figure it out. Then I got these because Walmart is ridiculous with these. Remember I talked about these caramels a long time ago, and I started making my own, and sometimes I forget that when I want an iced coffee, I don't have it. I'm like, ugh. So Walmart has went up like tremendously. They started off at $2.90 something. They're like almost $6. So I found these for $4.49. And I like that they don't have too much in them. Like you can name the items that's in it. It does have corn syrup, but you know, we're not healthy over here. But Ghirardelli caramel in your coffee, on your hot chocolate, on a dessert, on your cold, iced coffee is really good. So I ended up getting two because that was the last ones they had. Then I cannot find my rolling pin. I still know that there is a box or two missing of kitchen items. Oh my gosh. There's a box or two missing of kitchen items. And as I was getting ready to leave, before I even got all this other stuff, I don't know, I might be taking this back. See, that's the only thing about the marble. It's like when it chips, and I didn't realize it was all chipped up. But anywho, I do need this because I have a lot of cookies. It's very heavy. A lot of cookies to make. So, and this was only $9.99, so really not bad. I thought it was broken, but it allows these to move freely, so you can, which I like that. So it's like the heaviness is what's rolling the cookies and not you having to push them down. So yeah, that was $9.99, and that was pretty cool. Then I seen these. I don't wear Vans, but I know that my aunt does, and she wears a 12. She has a bigger foot, and I think these would be cute. These were actually on sale for $24. Which is not bad for some Vans, and especially a color that you don't normally get. So I'm going to gift these to her. Her birthday and Christmas is coming up, so I'm going to gift those to her. And then I got this. This is 4 flavors: milk, dark, white, and caramel. And it shows you all the ones that are inside. These are so good. Something like this, or either the Ghirardelli squares, I like to have around the house for the holidays. So I'm gonna put these in the bowl. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna put them in my living room. And put these in a bowl in my living room, and that's it. But for $11.89, you can't beat this. This bag is like almost $15-16 at Walmart. Maybe I say about $13 or $14. So it's basically a savings, because I was seeing these at Walmart and I was like, dang, that's a nice size bag, but I'm not paying. I think it was $14.99 or something like that. So I ended up getting it. So that's my quick little mini haul. I'm getting ready to put these in a bag with her other perfumes and stuff that I got her. And oh, let me show you the other one real quick. Hers is still in the box, and I'm going to keep it in there to wrap it. But I also got her this because she likes, I remember she would come get mine a lot. So I got her this as well. So she's going to have her collection of fragrances that her mama started to get her as a young lady to just know, always smell good. Always smell good. Keep yourself clean and always smell good. So, and it's crazy because even now she's known as like, oh my gosh, like her friends and people at school are always like loving that she smells. She's always smelling amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in the bag, and I am probably going to, oh my gosh, I need to wrap these first because she's coming. This is her last day of school before this is her last day of school before what, I don't know, man, did I spray too much? I feel like it smells different on this arm than it. I feel like it's doing a lot right now, but I don't know. Let me see. I don't know. What did I do with the plastic? Why does it doesn't, it smells good, but I feel like maybe I sprayed too much because I'm going to just leave it. I'm going to just leave it. I'm going to just leave it. I think that, I don't know what I was going to say. All right, y'all. That was my mini haul. I got a million things to do. I just got back from Aldi's getting the extra butter and stuff. I got to get all these batches of brownies and cookies and stuff done and decorated so I can ship them off to all these different states. So let me get my life together. Let me get off this camera. Y'all see I got my apron ready. I'm about to get in there and get it in. And, okay. Come on, bring it on. Wherever it's coming from, I'm ready. All right. I will see you guys in the next video. I'm going to ask my daughter when she comes and her friend, how does it smell? Because each arm smells different. Maybe because I already got some stuff on. Lord. All right. See you on the next video. Talk to me in the comments because I talk back. Later, gators.